The Hunza culture is a unique and rich cultural heritage of the Hunza people, who live in the Hunza Valley in Gilgit-Baltistan, Pakistan. Here are some key aspects of Hunza culture and traditions. 1. Language. The Hunza people speak Burushaski, a language isolate, and Shina, a language closely related to Kashmiri. 2. Religion. The majority of Hunza people are Ismaili Muslims, with a small number of Sunni Muslims and Christians. 3. Cuisine. Hunza cuisine is known for its simplicity, nutritional value, and longevity-promoting qualities. Popular dishes include thukpa, noodle soup, mamtuk, steamed dumplings, and chapshoro, meat-filled bread. 4. Music and dance. Traditional Hunza music includes the surna, a type of oboe, and the damam, a type of drum. The Kathak dance is a popular traditional dance. 5. Festivals. The Hunza people celebrate various festivals, including the Ganani Festival, Harvest Festival, the Nowruz Festival, Spring Equinox, and the Silk Route Festival. 6. Hospitality. Hospitality is a cornerstone of Hunza culture, with guests being treated with great respect and generosity. 7. Education. Education is highly valued in Hunza culture, with a strong emphasis on literacy and learning. 8. Agriculture. The Hunza people are skilled farmers, growing crops such as wheat, barley, and fruits, and using innovative irrigation systems. 9. Crafts. Traditional Hunza crafts include weaving, wood carving, and stone carving. 10. Longevity. The Hunza people are known for their longevity, with many living up to 100 years or more, due to their healthy diet, lifestyle, and environment.